Hi everyone, Wednesday today, and I have a pretty intense weekend. It's really packed. So tomorrow is my day off as usual for family reasons, and then on Friday I have a recording session or songwriting, producing, whatever you want to call it, a session with two awesome clients. But that's not what I'm vlogging about. On Saturday there is a Midnight Falling show in Saarbrücken at Studio 30, and I'm right now packing because Friday I don't have time, and Saturday I'm not fancy on packing and then leaving, so I want to have everything ready, just put it in my car and drive off. And the fun thing is that we're gonna finish the show. We play at 8 p.m. So we will be done by 9-ish something. The other band's gonna play. I understand the curfew is at 11 p.m. And the other day at 9 a.m. I will be back inside here on Sunday, 9 a.m. I will be back in here because we're gonna do a video with these guys that you will see sometime in the future, so be subscribed to that awesome band because then you don't miss it. So they will be in on Sunday, which means that I have to prep the tracking room for that. But the thing is that tonight someone is rehearsing, so I can't prep that, so I need to do this either on Saturday morning or on Sunday morning, which I don't really know which is better, but we will see. So this vlog will be mainly about the show, and then we see what happens. Danke!
How the world's been screwed before. Stupid people, please no more. We should learn from your mistakes. I know learning is not to protect. Okay, and fear won't make you strong.
So that really was a nice one yesterday. I'm just back, so Sunday for me today. The show's been very, very awesome. Obviously, soundcheck got cut short because of things not working properly and stuff that just happened. So I thought I could try some things. No, I couldn't try a lot of things, but that's just the way it is, and that's fine by me. Had a really, really awesome show. Kids in the Cage, been a great band. Watched them afterwards. Great venue, great sound guy. Everything been pretty awesome. Few gremlins as ever. But, yeah. So now we're gonna shoot some videos today. I'm not gonna film that because that's not really interesting. That's basically just a recording session of a band I really, really know. And, so, yeah. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye. Oh, and before I forgot, there will be big upgrades coming for next year on the Midnight Falling setup, and I will go into detail of that. Not really decided what actually gonna happen, but depends on the budget and stuff. But there are a lot of things that we have planned, and we're gonna change, and I will keep you updated on that.